today, because I'm really bored, I'm just going to be doing like a quick little silly tutorial on how to fix your Clicky pen. The one I'm going to be using is just one of the Jack Will's Didnt pen things. I have these, so it doesn't really matter if I break one, even though I don't have to fix them. So, in the pen, you'll have the barrel, which is this bit, and then kind of the neck body bit, and the ink with the spring. Now, if the spring comes off, then you're done. And then you'll just have 5 little kind of mechanical bits like that. So you have this bit, the little white thing, and this little circle, and this thing. So taking like the body, then just put this little silver bit through like that, and then take this, and then just put that through that. Then you'll need the little white thing, and just take that note. First, put this silver bit on the grey piece, like that, and then feed it down the barrel, so you'll see it come out the other end. Now, put the little silver loop over and on here, so it's in there. Put this on here and hold it, and then take the whole pen sideways, and then just do it like that, and then it will work. So this was quite random, and I hope you enjoyed.